Namaste. We all know compassion is a divine gift. When we are compassionate about a thing, we will enforce all our idea into it. Compassion is the overflow of love and divine love from our heart, from our brain, and it is the entire happiness. When we are compassionate about a person, compassionate about a thing, what will we do? We will be highly compassionate about everything. Lord Shiva is the entire form of compassion. When we think about compassion, we have to know one thing, that divine love is compassion. One who is compassionate to others, one who is compassionate to their family, one who is compassionate to their entire source of life, is very close to divine, and he is on the path of sadhana, and compassion is a sadhana. When we are compassionate, our hormones get balanced, our heartbeat get balanced, and all good hormones will profusely overflow from our brain, heart, and the entire system of the body. Compassion is not only for human beings, it should be overflown over to the animals, plants, the entire world. We can cover the entire world with compassion. As we think about compassion, what is the source of compassion? The source of compassion is divine love. Divine love, it is the source of compassion. We see this pandemic of corona. Why this pandemic of corona is so serious here? The thing is, we don't have compassion. When we have compassion towards each other, human beings, family, our country, other countries, the entire world, then you will be cured from any sort of diseases like corona or any sort of virus attack. So this is the thing, because we get what we give. So when we give compassion, you will get back compassion. When we give cruelty, you will get back cruelty. Everywhere when we see lots of cruelty, selfishness, self-centeredness is the cause for corona. So what we have to do is, we have to create compassion in our heart. We have to create compassion towards the Lord. We have to create compassion to the entire humanity. The entire world, the entire globe should be given and should be immersed in full compassion. When we immerse the entire globe in compassion, we will get back that compassion, and our life will also become so divine. And the thing is, the important thing about compassion is very, very easy, happy, abundant life. You all know Shiva, the love of God Shiva. Shiva, as you all know, he is an embodiment of love and affection. He is so innocent, so he is called Bholenath. Sri Shiva is an embodiment of full compassion. And if you want to get into the tattva of Shiva, tattva means principle. If you want to get into the principle of Shiva, you have to be compassionate. The first principle of Hindutva is compassion. Compassion to the entire humanity. Compassion, love, care, and all sweet, noble qualities. So, when we speak about Lord Shiva, it is always we can say Lord Shiva as an endless spirit, because it is a frame of mind. Shiva is a frame of mind. It is a level of consciousness where everything is equal, no discrimination. So when you are in a sannidhi of a guru, you will get that blessing of the divine God, and for that your compassion from heart should be activated. The Ajna chakra should be activated, the Anahata should also be activated, and the navel chakra, that is the navel chakra also should be activated. The Sahasrara will also get activated simultaneously when you are in a Sannidhi of a self-realized master. Self-realized master is in the Shiva Tattva. He is more compassionate towards everything. The compassion overflows from his body to the entire universe, because the entire universe is our body. And the entire universe is our own body, our own system. When we spread love, the entire system will be loved and our body will be loved by the divine love. And the divine love, the divine spirit, the divine love and divine spirit is what we should inculcate to adopt Hindu sadhana. And for adopting Hindu sadhana, we have to create compassion, and even from ant to a blue whale, we have to be compassionate, and we have to be compassionate with the entire vegetation, the entire universe, the entire world, and we have to be compassionate to the entire divine creation. So, when we are compassionate towards the entire divine creation, what we can see is the entire divine is in our body, and our body is the reflection of the world. Our body is the reflection of our mind, and our body and mind is the reflection of our own perception of we pushed out. It is what we think will be pushed out as brother, sister, family, nation, situations, our life, our consequence, our problems, our solutions, like that. So it is all we pushed out, and it is nothing but our thoughts and our feelings is what we see around the world. So please create inside good thoughts, good speech and good actions. If your thought is good, you will have good speech. If your speech is good, you will have good life and good orderly life, and also you will have good karmas. If your thought and speech is good, you will act good, and it will simultaneously result into good life, good destiny, and you will be the creator of your own destiny. Thank you.